Marianne Williamson once said, "Charisma is a glint in people that cannot be bought. It is intangible energy with tangible effects." Now what better way to demonstrate your persuasive charisma than pitch decks? Welcome back to Business Mind, your hub for all things business and marketing. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art and science of creating a killer pitch deck that not only captivates but converts. This is Business Mind. Join us as we dream big and achieve bigger. How powerful is a pitch deck? A pitch deck is a visual presentation that outlines your business idea, strategy, and potential to investors. It is a vital instrument in the entrepreneurial toolkit, offering a concise overview of your venture's value proposition and growth prospects. A well-crafted pitch deck serves as your passport to capturing investors' interest and trust. Throughout the business landscape, incredible success stories have been ignited by compelling pitch decks. These tales of triumph underscore the incredible potential of a well-structured and persuasive pitch deck to transform dreams into funded reality. Structuring your pitch deck. A well-structured pitch deck is your roadmap to capturing investors' imagination. It follows a strategic sequence that weaves a compelling narrative. Begin by addressing the problem your product or service tackles, showcasing its significance. Transition seamlessly to your ingenious solution and its unique value proposition. Illuminate the market opportunity by highlighting the target audience and market trends that underscore potential growth. Move on to your business model, revealing how revenue flows in. Illustrate traction with milestones, partnerships, or user adoption, building trust in your progress. Analyze the competitive landscape, spotlighting your edge. Conclude with financial projections, painting a vivid picture of your venture's financial health and future. Throughout, maintain a clear and logical flow, guiding investors through a coherent storyline. A pitch deck is not just a presentation, it is an invitation to join your journey to success. And hey, isn't that the main reason you're here after all? You're in pursuit of business success, driven by dedication and motivation to make everything work. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger, and we have set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might just be one click away. Captivating with visuals. Visuals are the secret sauce that transforms complex data into digestible insights within your pitch deck. They are the bridge that connects ideas with understanding. Visual elements like images, graphs, and charts serve as powerful tools to convey intricate information effortlessly. Explain how a well-placed image can evoke emotions, making your content more relatable. Graphs and charts, when used judiciously, can distill complex trends into a glance, driving home your point. Keep visuals clean and uncluttered, allowing investors to focus on the core message. Highlight the importance of consistency in design and imagery, which enhances professionalism. Remember, visuals should complement your narrative, not overpower it. With the right balance, your pitch deck becomes an engaging visual story that resonates deeply with your audience. Creating compelling content. Wait, leave, click away now. What we're about to tell you is classified information that successful entrepreneurs hide from you. Today, we're diving into the heart of crafting a compelling pitch deck. Get ready, because we will guide you step by step through the content creation process for each key section. By the end of this segment, you will have a clear blueprint to create a pitch deck that resonates with investors. We will break down the essential elements, teaching you how to frame the problem, present your innovative solution, showcase the market opportunity, delve into your business model, demonstrate traction, analyze competition, and project financials. Each section serves as a building block for your pitch deck success. Content creation. Emphasize the problem. In this crucial section, we address a pain point that your product or service aims to solve. Paint a vivid picture of the challenge faced by your target audience. Back your narrative with compelling statistics or relatable anecdotes that underscore the gravity of the issue. Investors need to feel the urgency and relevance of the problem you're addressing. If done properly, they will be nodding in agreement, understanding why your solution is not just innovative but essential. Content creation. Provide a solution. Now, let's unveil your ingenious solution that tackles the problem head-on. Outline how your product or service is the game changer the market needs. Illustrate the mechanics of how it resolves the pain points described earlier. Be concise but crystal clear about its functionality. This is where you showcase your unique value proposition, what sets you apart from the competition. With a proper pitch, investors should understand how your solution is not just a fix, but a transformative answer to the problem at hand. Content creation, identify market opportunities. Now let's delve into the potential goldmine awaiting your venture. Define your target market precisely. Who are the people or businesses in need of your solution? Quantify the market size, using research-backed data to demonstrate its magnitude. Highlight the trends that underscore the demand for your product, making it clear that you're tapping into a dynamic and evolving landscape. Paint a vivid picture of the growth potential. Investors want to see scalability, the room for expansion. Whether it's the increasing adoption of technology or changing consumer behaviors, show how your solution aligns with these shifts. Investors should know to grasp the vast canvas on which your venture can leave a lasting impact. Content creation, craft business model. Time to explore the heart of your business, how it transforms value into revenue. Break down your business model, explaining the mechanisms through which you monetize your solution. Highlight your revenue streams, clarifying whether it's through product sales, subscriptions, licensing, or other avenues. Discuss your pricing strategy, how you have strategically set your prices to balance affordability and profitability. Explain the rationale behind your pricing tiers and any special offers. Touch on your sales channels, describing how you intend to reach your customers, whether it's direct sales, partnerships, or online platforms. Show the path your product takes to end up in the hands of your target audience. Content creation, examine traction. Highlight notable achievements, milestones crossed, and any valuable partnerships forged. Share user feedback that attests to the impact of your solution. These endorsements lend credibility and demonstrate real-world validation. Use metrics to underline progress, be it user acquisition, sales figures, or market share gain. Investors seek evidence that your venture is gaining traction and resonating with its audience. They should be convinced that your solution isn't just theoretical, it's already making waves in the real world. Content creation, provide competition analysis. Analyze your competitors, detailing their strengths and weaknesses. Highlight your keen understanding of the market dynamics and where you fit within it. Introduce your competitive advantage, what makes your solution shine brighter than the rest. Whether it's the cutting-edge technology, unique features, exceptional customer service, or innovative pricing, lay out the factors that set you apart. Articulate how your solution addresses the gaps that your competitors overlook. Investors want to see that you've not only studied the field, but have strategically positioned yourself for success. Content creation, create financial projections. Now, let's dive into the numbers that paint a future of promise. Offer a concise glimpse into your financial projections. Share revenue forecasts that reflect the growth trajectory you envision. Detail your expected expenses, factoring in development, marketing, and operational costs. Mention potential return on investment, giving investors a taste of the rewards they could reap. Be transparent about your assumptions and methodology. By the end of this minute, investors should have a clear understanding of the financial landscape, aligning their expectations with your strategic vision. Keep it concise. In a world flooded with information, brevity is your ally. Each slide in your pitch deck is a precious canvas. Emphasize the importance of conveying information with clarity and economy of words. Investors appreciate succinct content because it respects their time and demonstrates your mastery of your business. Conciseness forces you to distill your thoughts to their essence, ensuring every word counts. Investors can quickly grasp your value proposition, the market opportunity, and your differentiation. By the end of this minute, you'll understand that in the realm of pitch decks, less truly is more. And there you have it. We have explored the art of persuading investors with an effective pitch deck. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So, go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.